On my stage. What? Oh, what, a bunny rabbit? Where's the bunny gone? Down the stairs. Oh, wait a minute, I'll have to catch him. Don't want him. How many carrots have we got, boys and girls? 4. Well, you wait there, you wait there. Okay, and you make sure nobody comes up here and steals my carrots, okay? I'll go and have a look for the rabbit, okay? I'll have a look for the rabbit. Now, I can't see him, boys and girls. I'll come back up the stairs. No, I couldn't see him, he's very dark down. Oi! Wait a minute, who's stolen one of my carrots? A bunny, where's he gone, Down the stairs again, okay, I'll have a look down the stairs. I can't see him down the stairs, boys and girls. I can't see him. I think you lot are playing a trick on me. It's a good job I've got my thread cut. Wah! Oh no, I've only got 2. Who's stolen another carrot? Oh, where's he gone? Down the stairs again. Blimey, no wonder I'm not. Well, I'll have a look now. See if I can find another one. No, I can't see him, boys and girls. I'll come back up the stairs. Oh dear. Oh no, I'm coming. Oh dear. Oh no, I've only got one left. Oh no, I've only got enough now for a carrot sandwich. You'll have to look after that last one, boys and girls, okay? You'll have to look after it, okay? Yeah, you'll have to make sure that nobody's here. Oi! Who's had my last carrot, boys and girls? Oh dear, but you could have... Listen, what colour was the bunny? Right, so I'm looking for a white bunny, am I? Right. What do you mean, green? You said he was white. Right, I'm looking for a green bunny, am I? Okay, right, now... What do you mean, pink? You said he was green. Okay, I'm looking for a pink bunny, am I? Right. Will you lot make your minds up? I'm looking for a blue one now, am I? Okay, so I'm looking for a blue rabbit. What do you mean, Red? You said he was blue. Oh dear, I'm getting all confused now, boys and girls. What do you mean, yellow? Blimey. First of all, you said he was white, then you said he was red, then you said he was yellow and green and pink and blue, and everybody knows there's no such kind of bunny. Oh, hey, give yourselves a big clap, everybody. Oh, what, little rainbow bunny. Hello there, pardon, what? Oh dear, my bunny. He said he's not feeling very well today. Everybody go, oh. It's worse than that. Everybody go, oh. Yeah, pardon, what? I'll ask him what he had to eat. Maybe it's something you've eaten. Now, what did you have for breakfast? Pardon? You had cheese on toast? Oh dear. Okay. What did you have for lunch? Huh? You had what? You had beans on toast. You know what's wrong with him, don't you, boys and girls? He's got mix-a-me toasties. Yeah. Mix-a-me toasties. Yeah, that's a rubbish joke. Right. Oh, well, never mind. Hello again, boys and girls. It's me, Joey the Clown. When I say hello, I want you all to say hello, Joey. Hello, everybody. Is everybody ready for the Punch and Judy show to start? Well, you know what? Mr. Punch is down the stairs and he's fast asleep. Can you hear him snoring? Oh dear, lazy banana. We'll have to wake him up. After 3, everybody shout up. Wake up, Miss... Not yet, you big bananas. No. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and then you say, wake up, Mr. Punch. 1, 2, 3, wake up. And here he is, Mr. Punch. Oh, he's not there. Is he over there? Whoop. No. Is he over there? Whoop. Oh, ow. Oh, I got my nose in. I went like that. Woo. And I was okay. I went like that. Oh, ow. Hurt me nose again. I went like that. Woo. I was okay. I went up. Oh, I'm not okay. Oh dear. Right, boys and girls, I know what I'll do. I'll go down the stairs and I'll wake him up. I'll see you all later in the show. Bye-bye for now. Yeah, see you later. Won't be long. Toodaloo. Toodle pip. Missing you already. Oh dear, boys and girls, he's fast asleep. Come on, Mr. Punch, wake up, you great big banana. Your great big sausage face. Your great big nappy face. Okay, he's ready. So, boys and girls, when he comes up the stairs, everybody say, Good afternoon, Mr. Punch. All together. Good afternoon. Hello, Mr. Punch. Now, Mr. Punch, there's a little dog down here called Toby. Yes, Toby the dog. Now, you will be nice to Toby the dog, won't you? You won't hurt him, will you? No, you won't. Good. Everybody call for Toby. Woo woo! Woo woo! Woo! Woo 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 woo! 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 Oh dear, did Toby the dog get Mr. Punch then? Never mind, Mr. Punch, because your wife is down here. And her name is Judy. Everybody call for Judy. Oh, hello, boys and girls. My name is Judy. When I say hello, I want you all to shout back, hello, Judy. Are we ready? Hello, everybody. Oh, that's lovely. Now, Mr. Punch, what can I do for you? You want me to give him a kiss again? Oh dear, he's worse than Boris Johnson. I'll give you a kiss long as all the boys and girls promise they won't laugh. You won't laugh, will you, everybody? Are you sure? Here we go in after 3. 1, 2, 3. Kissy, kissy, kissy. Oh, they all laugh. You want another kiss? Blimey, he's worse than a postman. I'll have to blow my nose first, excuse me. What are you going there for? You lot are all common. Yeah. Right, here we go. After 3, no laughing. 1, 2, 3. Kissy, kissy, kissy. Oh, we all laughed again. I'm going to go down the stairs and get the baby. Oh no. Boys and girls, the baby's got a smelly nappy. Oh no, the baby's done a poo-poo. Oh, he's got a smelly botty-watty. You know what I'll have to do, don't you? I'll have to change the nappy, excuse me. Oh no! Oh dear! Oh no! Boys and girls! Oh no, what's going on, you naughty baby? Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Oh no, the baby has done a sprinkly winkly tinkly. Oh, fancy doing a sprinkly winkly tinkly on all the children. Did you all get wet? Well, don't worry, it's a good job it wasn't water. Now that's what you think. Right, now listen here, boys and girls. Everybody go, ah, to my baby, isn't he beautiful? What do you mean, who thinks my baby's ugly? Blimey, how rude. Have you seen the front row? Now listen here. Would you like to know what we called the baby? Yeah, well, we called him Bill because he came to the end of the month. I'll put him down there before the jokes get any worse. I'm running out of jokes. Good job it's the third show. Oi! What are you doing? What do you mean babysitting? I thought those jokes couldn't get any worse. Oi! Off the baby! Oh dear, there we go. Oh dear, his head's fallen off. Oh no, my poor baby hasn't got an head now. Oh dear. Where are we going to stick the dummy? Come here. Oh! He scratched the baby's legs. All the nasty children will call him Daddy Longlegs. Oi, don't you call my baby Daddy Longlegs. Oh, you rude children, you hold him there. I'm going to go and get the sausage machine and he can make some sausages for tea. Here we are. Oh dear. There we go. There we are. There's a sausage machine. Now, Mr. Punch, to make the sausages, all you do is turn the handle. Don't put the baby in the sausage machine. No, boys and girls, if he puts my baby in the sausage machine, will you all shout for Judy? Don't forget to shout very loud because I'm deaf in my left leg. Right, I'm going to go down the stairs and I'm going to go and do some skipping. I'm going to skip the ironing, skip the hoovering and skip the washing up. What's all that noise? What's all that? Oi! Where's Mr. Punch gone, everybody? He went down the stairs. Oh! Did he go and put my baby in the cottle? That's nice of him. He did what? He put the baby in the sausage machine. He didn't turn the handle, did he? He hasn't turned my bell. Oh, my little chipolata. Oh, boys and girls, look what he's done. He's turned my baby into some sausages. Now, don't you laugh at my baby. Oh, I said, don't laugh at my baby. And don't you call my baby sausage face. Oh, I said, don't call my poor baby sausage face. Oh dear, my baby's going off. I better go and put him in the fridge. Now, where's my stick? Where's my stick? Now, boys and girls, did Mr. Punch do that to my baby? I said, did he do that to my baby? Well, when I see that Mr. Punch, I'm going to give him a bit. Oh, what do you mean he's behind me? When I see him, I'm going to get. What do you mean he's behind? Oh dear. That cured his sinus. Oi, get up. What do you mean, what for? So I can get you again. Bend over. Bend over. Bend over. Okay, I'm going to give him a big bash on his botty. Get down. I'm going to give him a big bash on his botty. Get down. I'm going to give him a big bash after 3. 1. Get down, 2 indeed. 1. Get down. Oh, 1 and 2. Oh dear. Boys and girls, he's fallen down the stairs. Don't you worry, he's landed on a net. Yeah, I don't think Annette's very happy about it. Hey, did you get that? I said I don't think Annette's very happy about it. Hey, hello again. It's me, Joey the Clown. When I say hello, I want you all to say hello, Joey. Hello, everybody. Oh, that's brilliant. Now, boys and girls, I've got some very upsetting news because at the circus today, I lost my best friend, Leo the Lion. I went to feed him this morning and he wasn't there. I'm very, very upset that I have lost Leo the Lion. Hey, what? You saw him? Yeah, I haven't seen him. Now, listen. Now, boys and girls, hey, what are you on about? Don't you say you saw Leo the Lion when he's not here. Don't you say that. Oh, he's back, boys and girls. Everybody say hello to Leo the Lion. Now listen, I have spent years and years and years training Leo the Lion to do commands to my voice only. So you don't have to shout any commands out because he won't take any notice of you. He only takes notice of me. I'm going to tell Leo the Lion to open his mouth and I'm going to place my head inside the lion's mouth. Now don't you say close your mouth, that's a bite my nose off. Leo the Lion, open your mouth! Has he bit my nose off? Oh, that's good, that's good. I thought you were very, very naughty then. Telling him to close his mouth. Now, boys and girls, shall we play a trick on Mr. Punch? I'm going to hide behind the sweet shop and I'm going to play a trick on him. Here he comes. Hello, Mr. Punch. Who said that? I said that. Where am I? I'm somewhere else. Mr. Punch, you've got a nose like a squashed tomato. Oi, nappy breath. Spotty potty. Tomato nose. Mr. Punch, why don't you sing? Everybody a lovely song? And because you're old, sing them an old song. Have a banana. Bogey, bogey. Hey, did we get in, boys and girls? Well, you know what, everybody, I'm feeling very, very tired now. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to have a lovely lie down. You wait there. I'm going to go and find my cushion. Aha! There we are. There's a cushion. It's a beanbag? Yeah. Well, I think it's a cushion. Well, anyway, I'm going to leave my cushion there and I'm going to have a little sleep, okay? So, good night, everybody. Ow. Oh, who put it over there? Good night, everybody. Ow. Who put it over there? Good night, everybody. Ow. Oi. A monkey? Oh, well, sit down as people can't see behind you. Sit down as people can't see behind you. That's not fair, is it? Now, you know what? You know what I need, don't you, boys and girls? Instead of a yellow cushion, I know what I need. I need a lovely green cushion. That's what I need, a lovely green cushion. Oh, what? Oh, look over there, boys and girls. There's a lovely green cushion. It's not a crocodile. If he was a crocodile, he'd have great big white teeth, and he ain't got great big white ears. Yeah, if he was a crocodile, he'd have great big white ears. If he was a crocodile, he'd have great big white teeth. Oi, come here, you silly cushion. Right, now what we'll do, boys... Oi, come here. Here we go. Right, now what we'll do... Oi, come here. I'm going to lie down on the cushion after 3. 1, 2, 3. Ow. What happened there? The wind must have blown in. 1, 2, 3. Ow. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Ooh, hey, I'm on the cushion. Whoop, ow. I'm on the cushion. Whoop, ow. I'm on the cushion. Whoa, no. He's got me. Get up, you nasty crocodile. Oh, dear, I can... Everybody see my pants. Oh, get up. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Oh. Look, boys and girls, the crocodile has fallen asleep. If he's fallen asleep, he won't be able to bite me. I'm a poke on the nose.
Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.